Go to Mailbox Validator dashboard page. Next, go to Integration, Mailgun. Please enter your Mailgun API key for authentication. So, let's go to Mailgun page. Go to Settings, API Keys. Click on the View icon and copy the API key. Then, go back to your Mailbox Validator page. Paste your API key here and click Save. You may choose the contact list that you want to validate here. Click Import and Validate. You may check the email validation progress here. Once the progress is done, you may click on the View icon. This is your bulk validation details. Now, let's go back to Mailgun page. Go to Sending, Mailing List. Click the list being validated just now. Those invalid emails will be marked as unsubscribed here. And you are done.